Hi friends, welcome back to another session of Bachelor's Kitchen. Bachelor's Kitchen is all about making simple and easy recipe without compromising on the taste. So think you have invited your girlfriend over for dinner and you want to impress her with your cooking. This is the recipe for you. Everyone loves pasta and you don't have to be an expert chef to make good pasta. So the ingredients we need to make pasta are 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I have taken grated mozzarella cheese. For vegetables I have carrot and broccoli. I have taken 1 cup of chicken which I have boiled for 10 minutes with some salt. We'll be taking some salt, some black pepper. We're using 1.5 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, red chili flakes, some garlic, and for pasta we have different type of pasta, but I prefer this because it holds a lot of sauce. So take a normal saucepan, add enough water to boil your pasta. In that goes in some salt and some oil. Now let the water come to a rolling boil and then we go on and add the pasta. Now you have to check if your pasta is done. Take one of it and try to break it with a fork. If it breaks clean into 2, then yes, your pasta is done. Try straining out the excess water. Take a normal pan, add some oil. Add garlic to it. Fry your garlic till you get a nice aroma of that garlic. Now it is time to fry your veggies. Saute it nicely. Now in goes the chicken. Now remove all your fried stuff in a bowl. Take a normal saucepan, add some butter to it. Then in goes all-purpose flour. Cook it nicely till you get a creamy and smooth paste. In goes some milk. I'm not using all the milk. Let it come to a boil. Then you add all the milk. In goes some chili flakes, some black pepper and some salt. Let it come to a boil. And then you add cheese and your fried veggies. And now it is finally time to add pasta to it. Mix it well. And we are just going to let it steam cook for some time. So your pasta is ready. I think so it's her. I'm all set to impress my girlfriend. Let me know how your story works in the comment section. So guys, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you then.